Namaskar, welcome to Indian News. This is Priyal Mishra, your news presenter for the day. Let's take a quick look of today's headlines. History sheeter accused in a shocking incident. 2 youths were shot dead. Prime accused in Nanak Matta Dera's chief's murder shot dead. Dispute over watching TV leads to altercation between husband and wife. Fire breaks out in bus after collision with motorcycle. Now let's move forward towards the bulletin. History sheeter accused in a shocking incident. 2 youths were shot dead in Rajasthan's Dorawali and Jaul villages on Monday night. The incident was orchestrated by the area's history sheeter and his accomplices. The unsettling incident took place in Doravali and Jaul villages of Rajasthan, where 2 youths were mercilessly gunned down without any apparent enmity. The first incident occurred in Todabhim village, where the local history sheeter, along with his associates, barged into the victim's house and fatally shot him. Similarly, the second youth was murdered when the accused history sheeter Jagdish, also known as Chotu, reached Jaul village, located a kilometer away, and shot him dead while he was having dinner with his family. The culprits fled the scene after both incidents. Family members rushed both youths to the community health center, where doctors declared them dead upon arrival. DSP Murari Lal Meena revealed that the police received information about the shooting around 9:45 p.m. Following the incident, both injured youths were admitted to the hospital by their relatives, but unfortunately they succumbed to their injuries. Complaints have been filed against the accused, including history sheeter Jagdish, also known as Chotu, and others. Police teams have been informed to apprehend the culprits, who will be arrested soon. DSP Murari Lal Meena provided a statement regarding the incident.
परिजन कहना चाह रहे हैं कि भाई इसमें जो आरोपी हैं उनको अतिशीघ्र गिरफ्तार किया जाए।
क्या कुछ समझाइश
बता रहे हैं कि भाई वो हम कर रहे हैं, टीमें गठित की हैं।
The main accused in the murder of Nanak Matta Dera's chief Jathedar, Baba Tarsim Singh, named sharpshooter Amarjeet, was killed in an encounter. The special investigation team had been tracking the shooter, who was attempting to flee from Uttarakhand to Uttar Pradesh. Acting on a tip-off, the SIT surrounded him and encountered him late Monday night. The prime suspect in the murder of Nanak Matta Dera's chief Jathedar, Baba Tarsim Singh, was sharpshooter Amarjeet, was cornered by the Uttarakhand SIT based on information of his attempt to flee to Uttar Pradesh. The SIT conducted a raid and brought him down in the encounter late on Monday night. The accused had fled after committing the murder at the Dera on March 28th. Following this, the Uttarakhand police formed an SIT to apprehend the suspect. Earlier, a reward of 1 lakh rupees was announced for the capture of the accused, Amarjeet and Sarabjit Singh. 3 other accomplices involved in the conspiracy were already arrested. Dispute over watching TV leads to altercation between husband and wife. In Agra, an interesting case involving television has come to light, where a dispute erupted between a husband and wife over watching serials and IPL matches on TV, resulting in physical violence. Both have filed complaints against each other at the police station. The wife has alleged in her complaint that her husband beat her with a belt, while the husband accuses his wife of attacking him with a rolling pin and a spoon. The police have referred the matter to a family counseling center, where efforts are being made to reach a compromise between the two.
आजकल आईपीएल चल रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा, पति रेगुलर आईपीएल देखता है
और चूंकि हमारे घर की जितनी भी माँ बहनें हैं वो सब क्या है कि वो नाटक सीरियल बहुत ज़्यादा देखती हैं। तो जिस समय आईपीएल आता है उस समय ही सीरियल्स आते हैं। तो दोनों का समय सेम है। अब 1 दिन हो गया, 2 दिन हो गया, अब कई दिन तक जब वो सीरियल नहीं देख पाई तो फिर झगड़ा हो गया कि बस आप आईपीएल ही देखते रहते हो। तो बस जब बात ज़्यादा बढ़ गई, हाथापाई हो गई दोनों में, तो फिर वो अपने मायके आ गई। आके उसने प्रार्थना पत्र दिया कि ये टीवी बहुत ज़्यादा देखते हैं और मैं सारा दिन घर में काम करती हूँ, बस शाम को मेरा एक ही नाटक आता है जो कि बहुत फेमस है, मैं उसे ही देखना चाहती हूँ। जब उसे नहीं देख पा रही है तो इस चीज़ के लिए समझौते के लिए आई। हमने समझाया, चूंकि आईपीएल एक दिन में 2 बार आता है, तो हमने सुबह कहा आप देख लो, अगली बार जो दोबारा रिपीट आता है वो देख लो।
During a checkpoint in Durg, an assault on a constable occurred, with an attempt made to run him over with a car. Pulgaon police have filed charges against the suspected car driver and are searching for him. In recent days, checkpoints were set up in Durg to apprehend suspects involved in thefts. Along with police stations, the crime team was also deployed at all checkpoints. During this operation, crime team constable Chitrasen Sahu found a suspicious silver-colored car which he attempted to stop in front of Pulgaon Nala Jalaram Vatika. However, the suspect car driver attacked the constable with a rod and attempted to run him over with the car. In this case, SP Jitendra Shukla stated that the police are reviewing CCTV footage and the suspect will soon be apprehended. Let's take a quick break. Stay tuned with Indian News.
न्यू वीडियोस की अपडेट पाने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें इंडियन न्यूज को और बेल आइकन को दबाएं।
हाय स्नेहा, क्या बात है, आजकल नजर ही नहीं आती।
क्या बताऊं, मेरा तो पूरा समय बच्चे के पीछे ही निकल जाता है, पर तू बड़ी रिलैक्स दिखती रहती है, बात क्या है?
वो तो रहूंगी ही ना। मैंने एक स्मार्ट डिसीजन जो ले लिया है, अपने बच्चे को इंडो आईटी स्कूल के बोर्डिंग में एडमिशन दिलाकर।
ऐसा क्या है वहाँ जो तू इतनी रिलैक्स रहती है?
अरे मेरा बेटा मॉर्निंग 7 to 5 तो वहीं बिजी रहता है। सबसे अच्छी बात, वहाँ का एजुकेशन और रिजल्ट दोनों ही शानदार है। हाइजीनिक ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, ये सब डाइटिशियन की देखरेख में करता है। तुझे पता है, वो बच्चों का ध्यान बिल्कुल स्मार्ट पेरेंटिंग की तरह ही रखती है। और तो और शाम को ऑफिस से आने के बाद भी कोई टेंशन नहीं, शाम को नाश्ता वहीं से करके आता है। दूसरी बात, वहाँ खेलकूद, पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट के क्लासेस एंड अदर एक्टिविटीज का भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस है, जिससे बच्चे फिजिकली और मेंटली बिल्कुल फिट रहते हैं। लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, बच्चों के अच्छे रिजल्ट्स के लिए कैंपस में ही ट्यूशन क्लासेस अरेंज की गई हैं, इसलिए तो मैं बिल्कुल रिलैक्स रहती हूँ।
मीन्स होम अवे फ्रॉम होम?
हाँ, इसलिए तो मैं भी तुझे कहती हूँ, बी स्मार्ट एंड टेक द राइट डिसीजन फॉर योर किड।
आखिर ये इंडो आईटी स्कूल है कहाँ?
इंडो आईटी स्कूल, कुरुद रोड, कोहका भिलाई। फोन 9303561235।
पूरे भारत में कहीं भी कभी भी सबसे कम किराए पर बुक करें वन वे टैक्सी rahultravels.com पर।
Looking for a reliable online shopping site? Welcome to walkhart.com. We offer the best quality products at the lowest price with easy and fast delivery options. Search, discover, and choose from a wide selection of lifestyle essentials such as home decoration, garden decoration, hotel decoration, fountains, donation boxes, school products, kids corner, sports, tent decoration, wide range of cricket bowling machines, and many more. We combine innovation and tradition to give you the best in the market. Interior designers may contact to be our privileged customer on 74005. 74005.
शिक्षण जो रोजगार दिलाए। कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर, मोबाइल सर्विसिंग कोर्स, इलेक्ट्रिकल कोर्स, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स कोर्स, रेफ्रिजरेशन, एयर कंडीशनिंग कोर्स, छात्रावास की सुविधा। इंदु टेक्निकल इंस्टीट्यूट, टी मार्केट पावर हाउस, जिला दुर्ग, छत्तीसगढ़। मोबाइल नंबर 9827194279, 74156741157। ये है इंदु ब्रॉडकास्टिंग प्राइवेट लिमिटेड और आप देख रहे हैं इंडियन न्यूज, हर पल, हर क्षण, हर सच।
Welcome back after the break. Let's get back to the bulletin. A moving passenger bus caught fire in Khandwa. The incident occurred near Rajur village on the Betul Khandwa road late at 11 p.m. It is reported that the fire broke out in the bus after a collision with a motorcycle. Let me tell you, this bus was traveling from Indore to Roshni village in Khandwa. The bus was completely reduced to ashes. The good thing is that all passengers had alighted from the bus in time. Unfortunately, the motorcycle rider succumbed to injuries while being taken to the hospital. Flames were rising high from the bus, prompting traffic on the highway to be stopped until the fire was extinguished. Upon receiving information about the incident, teams from the fire brigade and police rushed to the scene. Since the beginning of the Lok Sabha election season, there has been turmoil within political parties. In recent days, several leaders from the Congress party have joined the BJP. Meanwhile, a major setback has hit the BJP in Haryana today. Former BJP MP Chaudhary Birender Singh, along with his wife Premlata Singh, has joined the Congress party. Let me tell you, just a few days ago, former MP Chaudhary's son Bijendra Singh had also left the BJP and joined the Congress party. Now, former MP Chaudhary has also left the BJP and along with his wife has taken membership of the Congress. Their entry into the Congress party was welcomed by the party's General Secretary Randeep Surjewala. This political turnaround has stirred up the politics of Haryana.
आदरणीय चौधरी बीरेंद्र सिंह जी, आदरणीय श्रीमती प्रेमलता जी, हमारे भाई विजेंद्र जी और आप सब जो आज यहाँ आए हैं, मैं आप सब का भी हृदय की गहराइयों से कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद और स्वागत करता हूं। मेरे लिए एक भावुक क्षण भी, क्योंकि परिवार के एक बुजुर्ग जिनको देखकर राजनीति में एक एक कदम आगे बढ़ाया और जिनसे बहुत कुछ सीखा चौधरी बीरेंद्र सिंह जी से, किसी वजह से वो परिवार के सदस्य नहीं रहे, पर उसके बावजूद भी उनका स्नेह, उनका प्यार, उनका मार्गदर्शन लगातार साथ रहा और आज फिर वो परिवार के सदस्य हैं। मुझे लगता है कि इससे भावुक और इससे गौरवान्वित क्षण शायद व्यक्तिगत तौर से मेरे लिए नहीं हो सकता। आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत।
That's all for today. Thank you and have a great day.